Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let's see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, one card each for your general energies. This is for your general energy, Gemini. This is for your career, and this is for your relationship, guys, or your love energies. And we'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that is for your oracle message at last. So we'll open the cards as we proceed, guys. For your general energies, Gemini, Two of Pentacles. So with this card, I see here that you are juggling between two options, some two choices that you have come up with, and you have not decided which way to go, and maybe you are adapting to a new kind of a career, a second career, or what to say, you are maybe moving to a different place for work. So that is also the energy here, guys. Or this may relate to your situation, your relationship. You are in confusion in your relationship, or you are trying to come to an understanding what you need to do, and you are trying to adapt yourself in this relationship, guys. So that may also be the energy. Or you may be getting opportunities in your work, some projects or something. Choices are there and you are deciding between those choices. That is also the energy here, Gemini. Let us see what is the card for your career, guys. The World. With this card, Gemini, the energy is that you are having a sense of accomplishment in something, and you are able to find the balance in your life. Things are coming together. So the projects you have taken up, or some investments, whatever it is that you do in your work, or in your business, whatever it is coming to a successful completion, and that success is within reach, and you are gaining that prosperity and reaching those goals, and you feel a sense of completion in your life, guys, because things are going well in your work or career. So what is the card for your love energies? The Emperor. With this card, I feel you have that sense of security and comfort in your relationship, guys. Maybe you are dealing with a person who is a lawyer, or someone related to law, a person who's working in that field, maybe, guys, and you have a firm set of ideas, and you work in a particular way. You have that perfect structure, and you have that confidence, courage and conviction in whatever you do, and the way you handle things. That is the reason this person is generally attracted to you, guys. So you do things in a particular order, and you want people also to follow that order, even your person. So that may be the reason your person loves you. They rely on you, they trust your decisions, they feel that you take the right decisions, so they are really happy to be there with you, guys. That is also the energy here. So let us see what is the card, oracle message card for you all, Gemini. All that glitters. Gemini, the energy with this card is that this is the time for you to see in depth for any choices that come your way, guys. So all that glitters is not gold. Maybe some choices that you are making in your life, some decisions that may look very good for you superficially, but in truth it may not be so good. So you need to see anything in depth, guys. See for the true nature of things, then decide for yourself. So you do not have to run behind all the things, all the desires you have, a car, house, title, position, whatever it is. So are they very important to you? So you need to find that importance, guys. What is the need to acquire these things, and what will these things help to elevate you, make you more attractive? So we need to find what is the place of these things, and we need to identify what masks people wear and what motives are there behind that. So you don't have to go for the glittery things. You have to go for that a thing that is true, guys. That is the true worth of our heart. So that is the thing that is important, that authentic self that we have. So that is what the oracle is guiding us with, guys. So we need to walk away from all that is glittering and all that is sparkling. So that may just be a mask. So we need to stay away from that, and we need to have that beautiful spirit. So when you are working towards that, making your spirit, making your heart beautiful, that is your true worth, guys. So that is the oracle's message for us, guys. So all that is glittering is not necessary for us. It may not be gold. So the true gold is actually within us, our true authentic self. So we need to build that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. Please let me know with your comments whether this reading resonated, guys, and please give suggestions how we can do this reading in a better way for you all every day, guys. And thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, Gemini. Bye, Gemini.